Okay, guys. So I'm opening a brand new Microsoft Access document. So how do I do this? I search for Microsoft Access, then I click on blank database after opening my Microsoft Access. Click on blank database, and then that will help us create a new document. So so the first thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to say, set my set the name for my table. So here I'm going to call it grade 11. You can make yourself a name. Okay. Then that will now allow me set properties for my field name and all of it. So the field name here, if you recollect, your question says, okay, student number will be your field name. Don't forget, it has to be a primary key. It's primary key, okay? 102 is the student number, which nobody will share with the student, okay? So I'm coming back here. So the primary ID will be student number. Okay, and then instruction says you leave it at auto number, but that will be an issue at some point. So I'll talk about that later in the video. Then you have student name. Then we have phone number. You have other text, but I'll use this three because of time. So under auto number, I will change it from auto number to numbers. And do you know why? If I leave it at auto number, it will auto generate my ID for me. I won't be able to influence or change the ID, but once I change it to numbers now, I'll be able to change my IDs to whatever I want it to be. Okay, now under phone number 2, I'll leave my phone number at short text, because remember data types. If you change your phone number to numbers, by the time you start entering your number, your number starts with 080. So if you start entering 080, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 080 will be eliminated from the numbers because it is a number. Remember that 0 is not a valid number if it comes before another number. So I will have to leave it at text. So that it will acknowledge my the 0 before my phone numbers. Okay, so I'm going to save this by switching over to the other view. Okay, yes, ask me, do you want to save table now? And I say yes, that is saved. Okay, all right. So now here, the question here, go back to the question. It says we should student number George Amu George. Say Amu George. Okay, student's name is George. Contact name is Amu George. Okay, but let me just take George. So 10021002, right there. Amu George. I just pasted. Phone number you see 080 whatever. There you see it will work. Why will it work? Because it's a text. If I left that number, the 0 here, the first 0 here will not be recognized. Okay, so now moving on to the other record. Okay, okay, and that this even answers that question for us. You can see that from the question here, it says, sorry, let me see again. Question 5 says create an additional 3 records to the table. So you can see how to have answered question 5 here automatically somehow. Okay, create a new record. So once I click on, it must be to add the valid number. Let me add the valid number first. Valid number here is 1012. That is for Semaco. 1012 for Semaco. For Semaco, and Semaco's number also 070 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, whatever. Okay, now so here is what I'm talking about initially. Once I click on this new record, look at where I have 0 right here. Once I click on it, you can see, and I type in the new okay, if I even clicking on anything, it will assign this asterisk and another new record to you. Is that understood? So right there, I'm using that opportunity to answer the next question that says you should add new record. So here, if I add 1 4 5 7 8, I can add a new record like that, and that will give me a new record below. Is that understood? So that I'm imputing, I'm filling up my table right here, doing that. But remember, you have to do it by what you have in the table. So here we have 1101, 1101. I can change this if I wish to. Okay. Okay. Oh, because, all right, let's see, I can, let's escape. Escape. Okay. Hold on. Save that record. Delete. Okay, now I'm teaching how to delete it anyways. So let's delete that entirely. How do you delete? I right click. You say no. So I right click here. I click on delete record. And that's done. Confirm yes, I want to delete. So let me come back here and enter the proper record. 1101. 1101 is done. And then I can enter whatever name I want to enter right there. Okay. I can say my name here is right there, and I want to enter right there. Okay. Now, you can also adjust column. Let's see what question we have there. I think we have question on columns. Type the records in the table. Okay, I've answered that gradually. Format above using Tahoma font style and font size 14 and apply bold. Okay. Format. Okay, let's see how I can format. Okay, just like in Microsoft Word, you can always select what you want to format. Click on the format option. Sorry, system is hanging. Apologies, it's doing a lot right now. Okay. 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 Tahoma is applied, and I can change the font size. I think it's 14, and that's done. Okay, so that answer that next question is as easy as what you do on Microsoft Word. This part, I mean. Then 14 and bold effect. Okay, I've not done that. You can add your bold right there, and then you are good to go. Then the question continues to say, okay, yeah, this part can be a little faulty. Supplier ID is saying that we should. Oh, sorry, supplier ID here should be student ID. Should be student number. That's a mix-up. This should be student number and not supplier ID. Student number. Student number should be auto number. Okay, and here should be student name. Here should be student name. So that's what you have right there, the record there. Okay, so it's asking you to change to auto number, which will not work. Okay, but because the instruction says to change to auto number, you probably might change it. Or if further below, you are asked to identify challenges that you have in fulfilling the task above, you can indicate this, that the student number is asking you to add an auto number which will not work or which will not apply, which will not fix the question that you have asked to attend to. Okay, because auto number will automatically generate numbers for you. Okay, and phone number to apply the same. Okay, so I've also talked about creating additional 3 records. Okay, now page orientation to landscape. Page orientation to landscape. Okay, now here, if you want to change what's called change orientation, one of the popular ways of creating orientation in Microsoft Access is under the reports. It's under the reports, okay? And okay, let me see. Let's just use the report wizard to make it very easy for us. I'm going to try to generate a report, and then I'll change the template, the format from there, okay? Then just add everything and okay, sorry. Okay, add that. I go to next. Okay, and just add that, like that, and then let's finish it up. Okay, all right. Okay, so now that I've deleted the report, in fact, at a glance, at a glance, you see, okay, let's close this print preview. Okay, at a glance, anyway, you can see I have portrait, landscape, and columns. Okay, so this is a registered section where you can have it changed because you're going to print. Okay, so this is a registered place. So don't forget how you generate a report if you have to generate a report to get this printed, because you have to generate a report to get it printed. Okay, all right. So I hope you've been able to attempt answer some of the questions. Our advice that you do more research. That's one of the best way to study. I wish you best of luck in your exams. God bless you. Bye. If you have any question, you can send it to me privately. All right. God bless you. Bye.